Hi children, good morning. Okay, next a small concept is what is meristematic tissue? What are the kinds of meristematic tissue? That is the topic now. Okay, there are four kinds of plant tissues. First one is meristematic tissue, second one is ground tissue, third one is dermal tissue, fourth one is vascular tissue. In that, first tissue name is meristematic tissue. What is meristematic tissue? These tissues are continuously dividing, which helps in growth of the plant body. That is called meristematic tissue. This tissue helps in overall growth and repair of the plant body. That is called meristematic tissue. Here I have written some points, keep in your mind. See, the topic name is meristematic tissue. What is meristematic tissue? First one, this tissue is continuously dividing the tissues continuously throughout their life. That is the first point. Second one, this tissue helps in overall growth and repair. Overall growth, which helps in overall growth of the plant body. Okay, and if it is damaging any tissues, it will repair it again. Okay. Third one, cells are very active, so that these cells helps in continuously dividing. Fourth one, it is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is one of type of complex carbohydrate. So remember it. These are the characteristics of meristematic tissue. Once again, first one, it's dividing tissue. Second one, helps in overall growth and repair. Third one, cells are very active. Fourth one, it's made up of cellulose. These are the characteristics of meristematic tissues. Next one, what are the kinds of meristematic tissue? See, there are three kinds of meristematic tissues are there. The first one is apical meristematic tissue. Second one is lateral meristematic tissue. Third one is intercalary meristematic tissue. Very easy to identify. Okay. See, once listen this topic. Apical meristematic tissue means, the term apical means the ending part of the plant body. What are the ending part of the plant body? Once check it. This is the plant. What are the apical parts? Apical means it is Greek words, no? What are the ending part of the plant body? See, this is the ending part of the plant body. This is the ending part of the plant body. See, yes or no? Ending part nothing but tip part. Tip of the plant body. Tip of the plant body. Apical meristematic tissues are present at tip of the stem and tip of the root. Tip means the end part of the root here, end part of the stem here. Apical meristematic means the tip of these are present in the regions of tip of the root and tip of the stem. That is called apical meristematic tissue. See here what I have written. This tissue present at tip of the stem and root. Tip of the stem, tip of the root means ending part of the plant body. What is the main function of meristematic tissue? In that apical meristematic tissue, elongation of root and stem. See here the term elongation, root and stem. What is the meaning of elongation? Expansion, extending. Here stem, here tip of the stem contains apical meristematic tissues. These cells are continuously dividing. So stem is growing upwards, root is growing downwards because continuously dividing tissues are present. What is the type of tissue? Apical meristematic. So here extending of the root, extending of the stem. Okay, that is the functioning of apical meristematic tissue. Once again, here check it, diagram. This is a diagram of a plant. Tip of the root contains apical meristematic tissues. Tip of the root, these are the roots. And the tip part of the roots contains apical meristematic tissues. Tip of the stem contains apical meristematic tissue. Tip of the stem. These two tissues helps in overall growth and repair of the tissue. That is called apical meristematic tissues. Keep in mind, apical means tip of the plant body. Either it is present tip of the stem or tip of the root. Remember it. This tissue helps in growth of the root and growth of the stem. That is the first one, apical meristematic tissues. Second one, lateral meristematic tissues. Lateral. Here see that the term lateral. What is the term lateral? Sides. Here apical means tip. Here lateral means sides or edges. Sides are edges of the plant body. For example, see, this tissue is present edges of the plant body or lateral sides of the stem. Okay, this tissue is present edges of the plant body. This is the edge of the plant. This is the edge of the plant. Means edges of the stem. Lateral sides of the stem. See here our plant body. Lateral meristematic tissue. First one, around the edges in the lateral manner. This tissue is present around the edges in the lateral manner. First point. Second one, it increases the diameter of the rooted stem. These are present edges of the plant body. These are present on the stem, on the root. Keep in mind. So it increases diameter of the plant of the stem and diameter of the root. It increases horizontally. Yes or no? See, some plants are growing horizontally, edges and lateral manner. It becomes very thick. If it is present lateral manner, those type of tissues are called as lateral meristematic tissues. Simply keep in mind, these are present in the edges of the plant body. Okay, that is the second type. What is the third type of tissues? Intercalary meristematic tissue. What is intercalary? Intercalary means, see, first point, branching takes place. See, this is the branch. This is the branch. Here also branch. Here also branch. Okay. These are the branches. Branches are arising from this part. The place where it is arising the branches is called as intercalary meristematic tissue. Here intercalary meristematic tissues are present. Okay, where the flower takes place. Flower stalks and leaf stalks takes place. That part is called as intercalary meristematic tissues. Let us see. See, first one, branching takes place. Second one, a leaf or a flower stalk grows. Okay, these 2 points are belongs to intercalary meristematic tissues. Means at the site of arising the branching of the plant body is called intercalary meristematic tissues. Here intercalary meristematic tissues are present. Tip of the root, tip of the stem, apical meristematic tissues are present. Sides of the plant body, lateral meristematic tissues. Once check it in diagram I have drawn on the board. Once observe it. Tip of the stem, tip of the root contains apical meristematic tissue. Apical means tip. Second one, lateral meristematic tissues means sides, edges of the plant body. Edges of the plant body. These are present on the roots and stems. So plant is growing in horizontally. Third one is intercalary meristematic tissues. For example, this is intercalary. The part where branches are arranged. This part is called as intercalary meristematic tissues. Do you understand, children? See once again, meristematic tissues are continuously dividing cells. These are in very active, which helps in overall growth and repair of the plant body, and it is made up of cellulose. There are 3 kinds of meristematic tissues. One is apical meristematic tissue, second one is lateral meristematic tissues, third one is intercalary meristematic tissues. Apical meristematic tissues are present in tip of the stem, tip of the root. Tip of the stem, tip of the root. Second one, lateral meristematic tissues, edges of the stem, edges of the root. Third one, intercalary meristematic tissues. Branching takes place. Where the branching takes place, that part contains intercalary meristematic tissues. Okay, this is about meristematic tissues. Thank you so much.